So Deja wanted her hair straightened, and I just ordered these products. And so when we did step 1 already, she washed her hair with this moisturizing hair bath. Step 1. And this is the Agave Lavender. And then step 2, she conditioned her hair with this moisturizing and detangling conditioner. And now she's moving on to step 3. And this is to do the blow drying process. This is the blow dry and styling primer for a silk press. And I'll leave these linked down below if you want to check them out. And then step 4 is this blow dry silk weightless thermal protectant serum. She's gonna use this. She's gonna use this after when we get ready to do the straightening process. So right now you have to shake it up to activate it. And we already did that, so yeah. She's gonna use that to blow dry her hair. Let me make sure you did it. Okay.
No, right. You need to make sure
it says use how much? It says shake to activate after using the detangling and moisturizing conditioner. Distribute evenly through damp hair. Okay, so we're using our Revlon brush dryer. I'll link that down below too.
Okay, so this is the first side.
Okay, she's all blowed out now, and I'm going to put this weightless thermal protectant serum on.
You need to put more than that.
Damn. This smells so good.
Gosh.
Hold your head down, please, man. I can't. I hate this. Okay. Come on, you got the towel in the way.
See, when I was in salon, she wasn't burning me this bad.
I didn't even do your hair yet.
No, but
okay, you're gonna be
the
doing
only
it yourself.
part that burned, like head throbbing, was the blow drying part.
Okay.
Oof, I was about to say stop, please.
She didn't. I told her it was underneath the sink.
It feels nice.
Girl, your hair is dry with this color in it. Yes. You want me to do it even?
Please. But make sure the dead ends are gone.
Oh no, I need to get to the back. You gotta see this cut. What they be doing? Okay, so I started the cut right here already. Let's see. I ain't no stylist, but
Did you do it?
Hold on, I gotta make it even though. It's some areas where it's just more, you gotta be still.
I am still.
See, it's some areas like right here where it's weathered more on the ends than in the middle pieces. So we're gonna just leave that. You're doing too much. Like if it was you were sitting in somebody's chair, you wouldn't be able to do all of that.
Oh, you cutting it yourself?
Yeah, I did that.
Cutting herself?
I don't know.
No, I'm gonna do it.
You gonna let her cut your hair into a bob?
But you don't have faith in me?
That's a lot of faith.
I like the brush method. This bristle board brush method. Better than the comb, the chase comb.
I'm not doing it.
Very.
Look.
thought you had the ear. Oh!
Let me stop looking like that.
You stop looking in the mirror. Dang.
Dang, when I laugh, my top lip disappeared.
Oh, they can't even see that. Cause I gotta be still, girl.
No.
Don't sit down.
Why do I look like I'm bald headed right here?
Cause your hair just thin right there. It's not full. That's just how it is. Hereditary. Okay, so Deja wants a bob. So what I'm gonna do is she wants to her shoulders. This is her hair because we just, you know, when we big chop, we just chopped it off in pieces in the sections that was, what you call it, stringy.
Yeah.
So it was not really cut in a style when she did her big chop. We just cut it to look cute while it was curly, but it looks a hot mess while it's straight. So, okay, how much to your shoulder? Where?
Mom, it needs to end on my shoulder.
Okay, I'm gonna start over here.
Mom,
Turn this way.
Please, I'm trusting you to do this. Mom, is this how you're supposed to do it from the
That's
side?
how I'm doing it. I'm doing it going all the way around.
Look at that. That's not even even.
No, I have to go back around.
I don't know. Look, I'm dyeing my hair black. I'm dyeing my hair black. I do not like this color at all.
Okay, so this is what we have so far. I did a good job, I say so myself. I'm a whole hairstylist out here. I'm a whole hairstylist out here in these COVID streets. All right, got that bounce back.
Yeah, because it bounces when it's short.
Yeah, got that sway. It got that movement, got that body. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to come this way and clean up the ends. Okay.
What?
I'm a whole hairstylist out here.
Mom.
She said it's good.
Ooh, cut her hair.
I did.
Ooh, that looks so cute on her, man.
Mom did hair color.
I like that, man.
You like it, babe?
Yeah, I like it. You gonna do mine next?
Okay, now we're gonna put some body waves in it.
Hello.
Okay, so this is it with the curls. We got the curls in, and now we're going to brush it and wrap it with some saran wrap to give it that silk press. Back and over. You got to brush out the curls, Deja.
Whatever. Just do it. I don't want to look.
Oh, okay. Look, I was to see you out. Look at that. That's so cute. So nice.
Okay,
Look at the hair in the
Mom.
back. Oh wow, look at that in the back. Nice. Yes, honey.
Okay, it'll be much better if you. No, Mom, they don't do all of that. Please.
Oh, that's so
Mom,
cute.
please. Come on, finish.
Okay.
It just needs to like get on my hair.
Oh, there.
Oh my gosh.
Look at
That's
that. Oh, wow.
so cute. Uh-huh. Got that body.
You just gotta fix it how you want it in the front.
I don't know how I want it in the
Oh,
front.
look at there. Turn around. Oh, that is so nice.
Right?
Okay, we did that.
But how am I gonna,
Wow.
look y'all. Oh wait, let's not do that. Let's keep it at this side.
Yes. Okay. I'm jelly. Okay. Thanks, Deja, again, for trusting me with your hair.
Thank you for doing it.
Okay, yeah, get it together.
I hang because like falling back into place. I hate my roots. Is that good?
I don't know. You satisfied with that?
Yes.
Okay.